I'm Warren Buffett.
When you hear the word compounding, you think money, interest, stocks. It sounds technical, but let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Compounding just means this: small things stacking up over time. That's it. Now here's the uncomfortable question. What if the way you treat your health is exactly how someone would lose money in the stock market? Picture this. Someone invests aggressively for a few months. They check their account every single day. It dips a little, they panic, pull everything out, then they jump into some risky ventures because they are impatient. As a matter of fact, they lose money, then they quit. You would look at that and say, of course that didn't work. But that's how most of us treat our health. We diet hard and train intensely for a few months, then we're sore, tired, exhausted, we stop, we disappear, then January comes and we do it all over again. Then we genuinely wonder why our body never changes long term. The truth is, the same principles that build wealth build health. And the same mistakes that drain your money drain your body. Warren Buffett didn't win because he was constantly making bold moves. He won because he didn't interrupt the process of compounding. He locked in. Your body works the same way. And welcome back to the Daily Glow Secrets. Many treat health like trading. They crash diet, engage in extreme workouts, attempt quick biohack, and adopt a fix-it-fast mentality. That's akin to trading behaviors. But your body doesn't respond to trading behaviors. It responds to patterns and consistency. If you sleep badly for one night, nothing dramatic happens. If you sleep badly for months, that adds up. If you're stressed for a week, okay. If you're stressed every single day for years, that adds up. Bad posture every day adds up. Slight overeating every day adds up. That's compounding. But so do positive habits, such as daily short walk, consistent bedtime, strength training twice a week, cooking whole food regularly. Your body responds to what you repeat, not what you dramatically do once. And whether you're paying attention or not, it's adding things up. People think Warren Buffett became successful because he's once-in-a-lifetime genius. Sure, he's smart, but his real edge was simple. He avoided huge mistakes, he didn't gamble everything, he didn't panic, he invested wisely and consistently, and he lets time do the heavy lifting. Now translate that into health. Your job is not to try every newest biohack or every extreme workout program. Your job is to avoid injuries that take you out for months, avoid wrecking your metabolism, avoid sleep deprivation, avoid living in stress 24/7, and build a healthy and sustainable lifestyle that works for you. Your health compounds the same way capital does. It doesn't respond to your intentions, it responds to your repeated behavior. Now let's map it clearly. Diet is your daily deposit. Getting enough quality sleep means you're protecting your principles. Training is your capital allocation, not how hard you train, but where and how wisely you invest effort. Stress are your hidden fees because small daily stress harms both mental and physical health quietly. Injuries and burnouts, they are your catastrophic losses because they can wipe out months, sometimes years of health compounding. And consistency means you're staying invested. Most people don't fail at health because they don't know enough. They fail because they interrupt compounding. They start, they stop, they restart harder, they crash, repeat. That volatility hinders long-term growth. You don't need the newest biohack. You don't need to feel motivated every single day. If you can make small, sustainable decisions every day and repeat them for years, your health will compound. And just like investing, the real magic only becomes visible after time has already done the work. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more insights on building long-term health.